Hi folks. I've got this FireAngel STX620 which has been kept on my ceiling for, well, been working actually last 2 years, quite 2 years new, but suddenly stopped working. Not sure why, but I tried to open it from here and said maybe to change a battery in it, and I tried to open it from here, have a look, but there is not any access or so whatever to the batteries from here. So I think the best thing is try to open it and have a look inside. If you see, I can see like 4 little clips here, or 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 actually, like each quarter of the angles here. Let's see if you can try to open it. Okay, I need to open that one. Okay, this one here. Right, done. Okay. Pretty easy though. Looks like it. There you go. Right. Let's see inside. It's quite new. Looks to me. Right, what's this one? It's probably the button that it triggers the alarm. Anyway, let's leave this one in here as it was. Let's have a look on the alarm here. Probably this is not working. But the thing is that in here it says replaced by the end of 2024. Such a shame, really, because we are 2021 and it's already gone. And I've been kept on the ceiling for at least 4 or 5 months. Which hasn't been working at all, doesn't mean giving no lighting or anything. So now I've got the battery here, which I found, which is CR17335. You can buy this one from the shop or maybe from eBay or Amazon. But the problem is, you can see here, it is welded on the both sides. So it's not worth it. Try and take it out. What it does, I've got probably this one here, when it goes to the ceiling and rotate it, it actually pushes this. I will try to actually recharge this battery. I'll leave it for like half an hour. Put on both sides, put the wire on both sides and try to recharge it with my battery charger and see what it will do. Maybe it will do something. Got the trigger here. Right. let's see. So I'll have a go. I'll charge it. Maybe dead because I don't know, but I don't think that looks like one of them batteries that can charge it. High energy, because made in China. Yeah, it's a lithium battery, so I don't think it can charge rechargeable, but because it costs 1500 mAh. I'll have it a go. I'll have it go to charge it, maybe, but then we'll go from there.